Electric scooters for kids have evolved from simple push scooters with battery-assisted boosts to purpose-built micro-mobility devices that balance safety, grow with child adjustability, and engaging features like RGB lighting. For parents, the category poses questions about speed, range, weight limits, build quality, and ease of use for both electric and kick modes.
Product number 1. Legal electric scooter for kids ages 6 to 12. Brand, legal. Manufacturer, legal. Overview. The legal YD531S targets growing riders with a 3-level adjustable handlebar, 29.9 inches to 33.8 inches, a 60-watt motor, and a dual-mode design that toggles between electric scooter and kick scooter. It features RGB wheel hub lights and a 7-color front LED, aiming to boost visibility and fun while maintaining a modest top speed of about 6 miles per hour and a claimed 5-mile range on a 5-hour charge. The build uses an aluminum frame with 5.3-inch solid wheels and rear braking, supporting riders up to 110 pounds and a stated weight of about 10.8 pounds for easy handling by parents and kids alike. In practice, the YD531S excels as a beginner-friendly entry point or a neighborhood cruiser for younger children. The dual-mode design is helpful for learning control, as kids can start with kick or push to build balance before engaging electric power. The 60-watt motor provides gentle acceleration suitable for new riders, while the 5-hour charge time balances daytime use with longer sessions. The RGB lighting adds safety by increasing conspicuity at dusk, though it does not replace high-visibility vests or reflective gear. Prospective buyers should note the relatively modest maximum range and weight limit, which makes this scooter best for short, supervised rides on flat surfaces. Product number 2. Razor PowerCore XLR electric scooter for kids. Razor's PowerCore XLR uses a 90-watt hub motor and a steel frame to achieve 10 miles per hour top speed, targeting riders up to 120 pounds. It employs a rear drive configuration with a rather sturdy build, a throttle, and a 12-volt battery with up to 40 minutes of continuous use. The design emphasizes simple operation, longevity, and a more energetic ride compared to entry-level models, making it suitable for older kids and teens who want a bit more bite in their commute or neighborhood fun. Performance-wise, the XLR delivers reliable torque with a smooth start and consistent acceleration suitable for longer rides. The all-steel frame and rear-wheel drive offer solid stability, though weight and bulk can make folding and transport less convenient than lighter competitors. On plainer surfaces, the 40-minute runtime is practical for a few neighborhood loops, but riders should plan charging after longer sessions. The model's high rating in consumer reviews reflects its dependable performance and broad popularity, though it lacks RGB lighting or advanced safety features found on premium models.
Product number 3. Segway ninebot e-kick scooter for kids 6 to 14. Segway's ninebot C2 Lite focuses on safety, longevity, and a higher feature set for kids, including UL2272 certification, 3 riding modes, and 256 RGB lighting for visibility and fun. The scooter is designed for riders up to 110 pounds with a 5% climbing ability and IPX4 water resistance, and a top speed of 9.9 miles per hour. It uses a 7-inch solid wheel setup and a rear drum brake with a mechanical handbrake, combining reliability with a more premium ride experience compared to entry-level options. Performance-wise, the C2 Lite emphasizes a kick-to-start safety feature. Throttle engages after a 3-mile-per-hour push, reducing accidental starts. The 3 riding modes help with progression from beginner to more confident rider, while the IPX4 rating offers some protection against light splashes. The 5-hour charge and 8.7-mile range provide practical daily use flexibility. The inclusion of vibrant RGB lighting and Segway's typical software and hardware reliability makes this a strong option for parents who want a more premium experience and greater rider confidence, albeit at a higher upfront cost. Product number 4. Razor Power Core XLR electric scooter for kids. This Razor variant emphasizes lighting with electroluminescent deck wires and 6 LEDs under the deck, creating a striking visual effect. It retains the proven 90-watt hub motor and 12-volt sealed lead-acid battery, delivering up to around 60 minutes of continuous use and a top speed around 10 to 12 miles per hour, depending on rider weight and terrain. Performance-wise, the glow deck adds a fun aesthetic that can aid visibility at dusk. The airless rear tire helps reduce maintenance, though with a front suspension and all-steel frame, ride quality is more about durability than plushness. The extended lighting is a clear differentiator for younger riders who prioritize showmanship or for parents seeking night visibility.
Product number 5. Liegl electric scooter for kids ages 6 to 12. This is another listing for the Liegl YD531S with the same core specs as Product 0, including the 60-watt motor, RGB lighting, dual modes, and the same weight and dimension characteristics. The blue color option mirrors the pink version in performance and build quality, while providing a color choice for different kid preferences. Performance-wise, the repetition reinforces the reliability of Liegl's platform for younger riders who want a visually engaging ride with the safety of a moderate-speed electric scooter. The dual-mode design remains the best value feature for parents who want a learning progression path from manual to electric riding, while the 5-hour charge and 5-mile range make it a good fit for short neighborhood sessions. The consistency across color variants suggests a robust platform, but buyers should confirm current stock and warranty terms as listings vary by region.